Yeah, finally I managed to get in here. Yeah, it's actually too much people actually. Yeah, I mean the most people I've seen in the airport while getting into the security check. Now I am going to eat. Yeah, I am first going to check if I'll be able to eat free in the lounge. I mean the business lounge before going to McDonald's or any fast food or any restaurant actually. If I am not mistaken, my credit card allowed me to use the lounge. I'm not sure. And we managed to get inside of this lounge. The name is Centurion Lounge. So basically, if you have American Express credit card, you can get inside of here. And in here, there are free drinks, food. Later on, I'm going to get some food. Breakfast food. Baked beans, roasted vegetable, potato, egg, bacon, sausage, breads, and there are so many other options over there. Croissant, danishes. Yeah. That one of the lady over there is actually a Filipina. I heard the white guy, he said sige to the lady. Sige is a Filipino word, Tagalog word, like okay, like go, something like that. Yeah, also got this cook. That's the lounge where I've been. Yeah, really nice. I love it. And this one is the Emirates Lounge. But now I need to run. Yeah, because according to the lady at the check-in package, I need to be at the departure area. No, in the boarding area by 10:30. It is now 10:46. And I am just right on time. Very nice. It's good. I'm happy for this, because I did not wait for the line for a long time. But actually in here, still. Amazing. We are now here in the Manila Airport. Lots of people and humid. Pakita ko po kayo sa video. Okay. Pakita lang tayo. Okay lang po kayo. I'm actually already here at the shopping center. Ayala Shopping Center. Yo, good morning everyone. Yeah, I'm now here in Manila To be specific, here in Pasay City, and I am staying here in Cabayan Hotel. Yeah, you notice this room? This is just one straight line like this. Yeah, hallway. And then this is already the bed. Yeah, I have all my things here because I'm organizing things. My things, yeah. Yeah, just one bed exactly. And there's this television. Yeah, so you want, and then there is the shower. Nice, nice shower. Haven't showered yet actually. Did not shower last night. And then there's the, yeah, sink. And that's the toilet. Initially, when I first used the toilet, I said, oh, there's no washer. There's no bidet. I mean, there's no... Sorry, I don't know. What? So, yeah, I was using this toilet. And then I was checking for, looking for washer, but doesn't have. And so I just used the toilet paper. Yeah, and then when I get up, I look at it and I found that there is actually a kind of bidet spray over there. Yeah. Yeah, as I understand, yeah, hotels here in the Philippines actually has a washer usually or bidet. But ordinary house, I mean, yeah, regular house, usually just using tabo or bucket. Sun is setting up, I mean, showing over there, rising. And it is 5:42. It is a clean room, beautiful room, even downstairs when you get in. But actually downstairs, outside, is a chaotic place. Yeah, there are so many different situations, different people. I mean, feels a little dangerous for some. For me, I'm good. I'm used to it actually. There's no cabinet for the things, for the clothing. That's why they have this. This is a unique room. I am going downstairs now. Yeah, because I'm going to the breakfast. I don't know if it's open already. No, maybe no, it's still 5:47. But the sun is already, yeah, over there. Is the hotel actually, the interior. It's beautiful, I would say. Yeah, it's a wooden looking. Yeah, it's also clean looking. And there is some of this kind of accent. This EDSA, one of the main road here in, actually the very main road here in Manila, Metro Manila. Look at this, beautiful, huh? And it's actually one of the most affordable hotels in the area. The expensive ones, yeah, located very near to the Mall of Asia. Mall of Asia actually for me is walkable from here. Oh, there's airplane, Cebu Pacific. There. And oh, sorry, wait for me, wait. And yeah, it's beautiful. Look at this. There is this kind of I don't know the name, gold color kind of, and there is this kind of fabric usually used for making Filipino polo. Yeah, where yeah, actually went downstairs because I know that there is a restaurant down there. Yeah, but the buffet is actually here at the second floor. So in here I have this egg and yeah, ampalaya, coffee, fried rice.